network, then talk to us.
Yeah, really,
This person.
it's biggest problem really. When
Yeah,
we
but
talked together that
mhm.
time, you are stucking, your voice is stucking, so really very bad.
Yeah, yeah, it's a bad impression of conversation,
Yeah,
you can see.
but
Hmm.
how to conversation with Cambly on Cambly? How it's possible in your hometown? Because you
I
are
go
facing
to
network issue.
I don't know what sometime network is full, sometime down. I don't know, up downing is this kind of thing.
So, brother, tell me one thing. Which money? How much money paid for Cambly?
First of all, I have paid. I've got one subscription, 5,000 rupees. Then second 4,000 rupees. I have got a new discount 1,000
Okay,
rupees.
and what is duration and days in weekly and monthly?
One month, 1 week, 3 day, 15 minutes.
Oh, but recently I subscribe. I get subscription of Clappingo Indian apps.
Rapinjo,
So yeah, Clappingo. So
mm,
uh, I paid only 105 105 sorry 1500 rupees for
1,500
1 month.
rupees.
Yeah, for 1 month and 3 days in 1 week.
Yeah, it's a good. But this is
Yes.
Indian. If you they are
Yeah,
Indian, they're
yeah,
foreigner.
yeah. Yeah. You can converse with
But
Indian people.
Indian
Not
teacher will teach you
yeah, yeah,
careful. But
yeah,
no,
yeah, yeah.
foreigner teacher only they talk to they don't teach only.
But right now I'm comfortable with the Indian people like because and they accent so I can understand easily. Yeah,
Yeah,
in
yeah,
accent.
Indian accent you can understand easily and you can reply easily. If it's a foreign
Right,
accent,
right.
speak and always a sound,
Yes.
like a buzzing sound, buzzing. So that's why
Yeah, but
we can't.
yeah, it's because I'm a working in the Indian company, so I have to conversation. I have to communicate with Indian people, so it's easy for me. So
With
that's why I thought
clans,
okay, I have to. Yeah,
with clans. Yeah.
not clients. I have to communicate with my boss. He's Indian and
Oh,
boss and my senior also. Yeah,
too good. You will improvement because you have passion, one passion.
yeah,
You
it's my
went.
need really. It's my need.
Yeah. It's everyone, but
Because
different need, different requirement. Mhm.
yeah. And really, you have a good opportunity because you are pursuing, and apart from that, you are learning English. So really, after 1 year, you are very fluent in English, and UK accent also. Really, you have a good
Thank
opportunity
you.
because I know very well. I am working here, so I'm learning English right now. So I have
Hmm.
too late. I have too late. Really,
You
sometimes I
have too
thought.
late. Yeah, yeah. You have got late. You have got too late. As I used to have spoken English ago 1 year, and but it's a good. And no, it's never too late. It's never to
Yeah,
start.
you can
Somebody
say,
say,
you can say,
and
you can say.
this kind of it's never too late to start. It's never too late to
Yeah,
start.
yeah, yeah, of course, really.
Mm.
Because when I used to go school colleges that time we don't have a no option. We don't have a social media. We don't have YouTube also because uh, so yeah, this biggest reason.
Okay. In which year have you turned 12th class?
I passed 12th class in 2010.
2010. Mm.
Yeah,
Okay. How old are you? You didn't tell me.
I'm a 28-year old. 28.
28.
Yeah.
But not look like only to 25, 24 because something
Yeah.
body
Some
body
people
because
some people look like.
you can maintain your body. I think exercise.
I do exercise.
Yeah,
Not every day,
exactly,
but when
exactly.
I do exercise and I do vegetable foods and I do balancing food. I eat really because I know
Okay, you
health
don't
is
take junk food. You don't take junk food.
yeah. I prefer I eat home foods, not dhaba and restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I eat
I see.
junk food.
Oily food is something that's not fair for body health. Oily food is we should never follow.
Yeah, I know, very well. I eat, I eat, home my mustard oil from home. I bring from my hometown. I eat, desi ghee, and I eat, yeah, desi atta also.
I know, natural at all.
Yes, yes.
Purify, purify,
Yeah.
flow, purify, like a clarified, purify milk. We can take a body automatic maintain. If you take
Right.
junk food, your body will
Absolutely.
destroy you, and you
And
will lose.
my
You will if down. Your body skin is something dry every day. So we should never follow junk food. Follow only normal food, uh,
right,
especially green vegetables.
right. And my father is farmer, so I know very well can how's good
Mhm.
food, how's so I know very well, and I'm do farming. When I go to my hometown after 2 week, after 1 week, I go to my hometown,
Mm, I'm
so I
too.
can understand.
I have cultivated potatoes here. You know about
Yeah,
UP only famous potato.
yeah, and especially Samsawad and Khandoli. In
Yeah,
UP,
yeah.
we are talking about Samsawad and Khandoli. These
Samsabad,
town, these city
Sri,
are famous for potato, and
Mhm.
Sukawad also.
Yeah, exactly. You said her. Um, it's normally, but no. EP say only famous of a potato, potato.
I think some parts of UP, not because not whole UP, entire UP, but some parts of UP like Agra and Firozabad. So these districts are famous for potato
Potatoes, yeah.
production. Yeah, yeah.
Mm. Okay, I have cultivated potato in three field, but I don't go.
Okay,
My father is a confectioner, sweet maker, as well as
okay.
farmer, working
Oh,
both. Hmm.
in Samsabad, so you can see many halwai shop.
Yeah, it's Sawad.
Yeah.
Hmm.
One of my friends is from Samsabad, so he's going on a sweet shop in Noida NCR.
Yeah. Um, so many people is working there, and
Yes,
confectioner working, and as well as uh, so many people has a mind. They have start the shop.
yes. Bro, tell me one thing. Actually, I want to ask something to you. As you from Blaze Town, you are living in rural
Yeah, I'm
areas. So,
yeah.
how much people's can speak English in your home, in your Blaze? Sorry.
Don't ask, don't ask. I don't have any answer. To be honest, nobody here, nobody speak English here. Only I think I'm here. But can speak? They can understand something, but they can't speak English because I when I started speaking English with my friends, they run away from me. They go away from me.
Okay.
So I told no, please don't talk to me in English. Please come to the compound of Hindi. Then, but so my Mebli Kala, I think only here I'm here. So somebody want to call on me for a speech in a school, then I go to there.
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Really, it's just fact. It's fact.
Yeah,
And
but I don't education because I want to glorify my father's name, my family's name. I want to famous my name in my Mebli Kala, in my Agra. But I know it will take time, but I will
so,
achieve.
are you from Nidoli Kala?
Nitholi, no, Mebli Kala, Mebli.
Maybe. Okay. I heard about
Mebli
Nidoli Kala and
and
Shamsawad and Fatehawad and
Samsawad is there.
okay,
Samsawad is 30 kilometer from here, and Fatehawad
okay,
12 kilometer from here, and Samsawad 24 kilometer here. We are in between among there.
okay. Central point. Central point. Center
Central
Park.
Park. Yeah.
Okay.
Central Park.
Okay.
So
Okay. I can understand. I can
mm,
understand. Good. Good. Good.
okay.
So really I'm very happy, and I'm very happy because you are from Agra. And at that time I saw your video. So you told that you saying that "K, I am from Agra." Oh, really? I'm very shocked. Oh my God. So so I thought I have to talk with the Keshav.
Okay.
So yeah.
Mhm. It's a pleasure. It's you have found me and you talk to me right now. So many people want to, but not with the heart, by heart. Only I will talk to like a procrastinate. I will talk to, not talk to. But you found me, then you connected me, then you talk to me. It's a good, fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Relax.
So, Mr. Keshav, what is the distance between Prani Mandi to your home? Prani Mandi. You know about Prani Mandi? Prani Mandi?
Agra,
Yeah,
Agra,
Agra.
Agra,
Agra
Agra.
Prani Mandi.
I have told you, Agra is 24 kilometers from here.
Okay. So, okay. Yeah. So, yeah, actually, next week I'll come Agra. I'll go to Agra for some work at Prani Mandi and Biligar also. So I'll
Bichiga,
go.
yeah. Hmm. It's but it's okay. I'm come to the point. Morning routine. At what time do you back up? Do you get up in a morning time? What's time?
I got up six. I think I get up 6:30 a.m. in morning,
It's something.
and
I think
yeah,
my consider you get up late.
yeah, because I sleep at late night at 11:30 p.m.
11.
So yeah, so I
Okay.
got up 6:30 a.m. and after that I got a fresh and I saw many video. I saw many videos about English, and after that I preparing food for my
How often do you?
lunch.
Okay. Next question. How often do you read books?
Because I have some technical books. So when I have a time when I like, so that time I read technical books, not motivation books. And then I don't have any type of books, but I have only technical books. But most of the time I suffering on social media.
Okay.